As some of you may know, I got accepted into my dream college. My mom and I left Arizona not knowing where the road would take us. We came from a little town to a big, nerve-wracking town, but we are getting through it with God. On this journey, we will visit friends and family and get ready for my college adventure of a lifetime. There will be laughs, craziness, and so much more. Mom is still in the process of searching for a house and a job, but we know God's got us 100%. I am so excited to see where this journey will not just take me, but also my mom. Come with us on this epic ride to this college of my dreams. From day one, I knew this was God's will for me, and so I know God has us every step of the way. Umzul, you are not ready for this girl. Umzul, you are not ready to see this girl shine. I may have autism, but oh my gosh, it does not have me. Now let's rock it together. Here I come, Umzul.
I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in a world that we design.
Hey guys, so guess what? Awesome news. Tell them the news.
I rented a house.
Yeah, it's a little small house. So we were wanting something with like 2 bedrooms, but this is a starter house because like when I come visit, I can have my own room. But this is a starter house, so it's really good. We're gonna work due. I got sunburned. Oh, I look so cute with sunburn. I got sunburned.
Like, I just said, dude, I need like an act.
But yeah, and it's exciting. It's definitely a God thing. Like totally, God worked it out. We'll have to explain later.
Look at your things all scratched
they're all
and-
messed up. I know.
Golly.
They got.
Think you need some new headphones, fool. You got your dad new headphones for Father's Day and you need them yourself.
Yeah. Also, we I guess became really good friends with these people, which is amazing. So mom has some friends here, and right now, you know, she's living in this little town, and which is so cute and not scary at all. Because there's some towns that are like, you know, and I'm so excited for her, so excited for me, you know, it's all amazing. Right now, we are going to look at the house. It's a little cute house, honestly. Here's the front, and over here, of course, is the door. Another door. So there's like a closet right there. And there's like a window here, and a window here, and a fan. Mom's gonna make it all cute. But yeah, this is the living room. That's the living room area. And over here is kind of like, I guess a hallway type, or just a little, I don't know. But over here is the room. So window over there, and a window over here, and a closet. When I come visit, I'll probably come sleep with mom in here. It's a little door to go out. Here's the kitchen. I have washer dryer over there. You know, oven, you know, cabinets. There's a sink and cabinets and microwave, stove, refrigerator. And over here, back in the kitchen, is a bathroom. One sec. Is the bathroom. Let's go back here. I haven't seen this yet. So it's a nice little back spot. So this is how we're gonna travel. So we stopped and got some chicken, you know, and I gotta get a picture of that. I'm putting my chicken in this ripped up tampon box
As a bowl.
Yeah. Also, by the way, I never said what we're doing. We are going back to Nikki's, our friends, you know, Matthew, Daryl, and we are going to spend the 4th of July with them.
Beep the horn.
What's up, people? I got to Matthew's a little earlier today. We're gonna go get some smoke bombs. Matthew! Where is he? What are you doing? He's coming back. You can't even beep the horn.
I
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118
of you. I'm videoing.
The baton on. It's Green Day in Greenwood.
Not my day. Hey, there's a lightning bug. You better move.
Oh no, we lost
What's
lost Destiny in the smoke.
Yo, my name is Matthew. I'm in boss. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Spell your name out.
Okay.
Woo! Happy birthday! Woo! Happy birthday!
Exclamation point! Woo! Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Now stand on your ground and act like a man.
What's up, guys? We're headed to the zoo.
Peace.
Tell me, babe, you wanna leave this town? I'm saying, love her if you wanna go, I'm down. 'Cause darling, we were made for bigger things.
Somewhere.
Killing our dreams.
My face is a little red. Right now we are waiting. Right now we are waiting for the tram. I got this handy dandy spray bottle with me. We are here now eating. We brought our own lunches.
Tell me, babe, you wanna leave this town?
Guys, there was like this boy that was like crossing. He's like, wanna play rock, paper, scissors? I'm like, okay, rock, paper. I did like the scissors, but like always, but no, I don't always do the scissors. But then there's like this other car and people, and then they were like, okay, so do you wanna play rock, paper, scissors? I'm like, okay. So like, should I like ask everyone to play rock, paper, scissors? There's turtles down there. There's turtles. Hey guys, we just got back. On the way back. We got some Sonic. I got a cherry limeade. The rest got extra strawberry water. So I used to get strawberry water all the time, but I didn't get it that time. And we also went to Walmart, got some little bits. Is that what it's called?
Yeah, which it could should be called.
It was so good.
It's supposed to be like Dippin'
Awesome.
Dots.
Oh, it's Dippin' Dots. And then in a little while, we're gonna go eat, go to a drive-in movie. So exciting. Guys, we are here to get pizza. Oh yeah.
Why is it so scary? No, ow, 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 ow. Oh, I'm getting jerked. Ow, 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 ow.
Guys, update. So, so basically, I was like freaking out, overreacting because I kept feeling, okay, I kept feeling wind hit my hair. But it was the owner.
he's like using this thing, and when wind comes to my hair, he's scaring me, y'all. Hey guys, right now we are playing games. I'm going to do the car games. It's been so long since I've done this. I love these kind of games. So yeah. Oh, what was that? Yeah, let's get to it. My video wasn't even going, y'all. I was all talking to the game and my video wasn't even going. I have one. Wait, y'all, I have 2 more quarters. Wait, I have a few more quarters. I said I had 3. I thought I had 3, but I didn't. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's play. I'm driving, so. I'm so bad at this. Oh, they're starting. Okay, I gotta be careful this time. Oh, guys, I'm doing a little better. Kind of. Oh, yeah, I just went over that hill. Oh. Guys, I'm in 5th place now. Last time I won in 9th. Oh, no, I just went across. Now I'm in 7th. Now I'm in 8th because I just started going crazy. I need to catch up. Now I'm in 10th. Oh. Wait, whoa. Guys, I'm in 7th. I'm in 7th. I did better. I made it to 7th place. Okay, wait. I actually do have more coins. First time I made it to 9th place. Then I made it to 7th place. And let's see if I can do better this time. Well, I inserted 2 coins. Did it just take my coins? What? I just inserted 2 coins and it just took my coins. Okay then. Never mind then. My mom just threw her Jolly Rancher out the window because it was not what she wanted.
That's bad. My did that to me.
So me and Matthew won bouncy balls over there. Whoa, that went high. At the pizza place we got bouncy balls. Whoa.
Bouncy on it.
Whoa.
Oh, fudge eyes.
You're throwing the bouncy ball at each other. We're struggling. It keeps going everywhere. She chased it all the way over there like 2 times. Now he's chasing it over there. Hey guys, we got to the movies.
Hey, don't forget to stretch. After spoilers, nothing ruins a movie.
We got our glow bracelets. Woo!
When I was a kid, the days lasted forever. Years. Like, over here. Well, they went by so fast.
10! Ready or not? Ready?
Oh, that was.
My name's Tim. And this is the rest of my story.
Oh my gosh. What's the video
They
with?
call me a stay-at-home dad.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more. I have hiccups, as you can tell. Please stay tuned for more. I'm sorry I'm late posting this one. There's been a lot of
stuff. There's been a lot of stuff going on. Our dog passed away, and I just haven't really been in the mood to edit. I haven't really been in the mood to edit. And, you know, just grief and all that stuff. And I don't even know if I'm going to be able to edit the footage that I took of him when we got to see him. When we got to see him on this trip, because our friend brought our dogs to us, and I'm just glad and thankful that we got to see him first before that happened. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, stay tuned, turn on my post notifications, and like this video. I love you.
1, 2, 3, let's go!